So a bit of background information on this cube. So the thing that makes it special is that it's 54 millimeters, so about 1.5 to 2 millimeters smaller than normal 3i3s. It's also Gans' first stickerless 3i3 since the 357, so that makes it pretty special. You can see it still has black internal, the little honeycomb pattern from the SM, and the 460 is still here. Alright, let's just do some first turns. Okay, that actually feels amazing. Oh my gosh. So this cube is supposed to have like the same performance as the SM, but to me at least, it performs better than how the SM performed out of the box. So the feel is basically the same as the SM, so really soft, really fluid, and just really flexible, and the turning is really great. So the speed is like perfect. It's really effortless to turn, magnets don't get in the way of anything, but it's also not too fast and really controllable, and it does click into place every single turn, which makes it really nice. Corner cutting, let's take a look at that. Yeah, basically goes everywhere. Has some trouble going here. But yeah, the corner cutting is great, and I don't know, overall it performs really well. As for the size, I thought I'd notice more of a difference between this and like a normal 3i3, but I honestly don't. Like, so here's a normal 3i3, and like the difference isn't really that big, and you honestly don't really feel the difference. Yeah, just comparing the two, like, yeah, it feels a little bit smaller. This cube is also like really light, like, oh my gosh. But like, you don't notice the difference that much, and if the size being too small was kind of a fear before getting this cube, it shouldn't be, because you're not going to notice it as much as you think. Anyways, overall, a really promising cube. It's also $40, I believe, so $10 cheaper than the SM, and out of the box, I think it's better. I'm definitely going to have to set this up a little bit more, maybe put some weight 8 and just use the overlooping method and stuff, and also maybe experiment with this if I have the time. But yeah, really solid cube, and I really recommend it if you're looking for a new grade 3i3, because it's really good, and I can't wait to start solving on this more. Anyways, that's all for this unboxing of the Gans 354. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.